Welcome to True North Marine Electronics, where innovation meets the open sea. We specialize in cutting-edge marine electronics designed to enhance your boating experience. Our range includes advanced navigation systems, fish finders, and communication tools. True North Marine Electronics fills the gap in the market for high-quality, reliable marine technology. Our products are built to withstand the harshest marine environments. Experience seamless navigation with our state-of-the-art GPS systems. Our fish finders help you locate the best catch with precision and ease. Stay connected with our top-of-the-line communication tools. Our products are designed with user-friendly interfaces for effortless operation. True North Marine Electronics ensures you have the best tools for every adventure. Our commitment to quality guarantees reliable performance every time. Join the community of boaters who trust True North for their marine electronics needs. Discover the difference that True North Marine Electronics can make on your next voyage. Visit our website to explore our full range of products and find the perfect fit for your boat. True North Marine Electronics. Navigate with confidence.